Hey guys, what's going on? Will Provi here. In today's video, I'm going to be attempting to save the Carolina Panthers franchise. We're going to go over to adjust lineup first, and I'll do that to my liking. Alright, so we got Adam Thielen, DJ Chark. We have Jonathan Mingo. I do want him to play, so I am going to put him up here. We're going to put him to number 2. I'm going to see how long he has played.
This is the player card. Here you can see your strength. Here are a player's motivations.
How well your team overall. That's a little bit low for me. If you've been in the game for 5 years, I need to go see Laviska Shenault. 3 years. Okay, I'm gonna have Laviska Shenault, or however you say his name, starting as number 3. I got him at number 3 now. Jonathan Mingo, Bryce Young, Andy Dalton, Matt Corral. I'm gonna put Matt Corral at number 2. Running back's good, fullback's good. I might actually put Trimble at number 1 fullback, but probably not. Alright, the offense is good, I think. Defense, also good. Alright, I'm gonna change Jeremy Chin. This is not cheating, okay? I'm gonna change him to a free safety. Oh, he's a corner. I didn't even know he's a corner. I thought he was a strong safety. I thought they were just too loaded up on strong safeties or something. No. Okay. And then I have a trade that they want me to do, which is a 30-year-old free safety who's a 77 overall. So I'm probably going to accept. That's a 14, though. That's $14.7 million in cap room. I'm not accepting that. Absolutely not. I'm going to need to re-sign my players. Anyways, I'm going to go and advance to the playoffs and see how well we did. Alright guys, this season was the playoff time, and we went 10-7, second in the division. I thought the Saints would win and the Buccaneers would do terribly, but no, the Falcons went 14-3, probably getting the divisional spot. Probably getting the number 1 seed, because 14-3 is just crazy. Looks like Bryce Young did incredible. How did 5 upgrades, bro? That's crazy. Maybe because he's a rookie. But it looks like we got Jonathan Mingo up to a 75 and Bryce Young up to a 79. Let's go ahead and look at the roster and just see if there's any, like, what their little superstar thing is. Alright, so Bryce Young is a superstar. Okay, why did this change? Confusion. Alright, since this changed, I'm going to trade away DJ Chark. That's not going to let me. It's going to give us 500K and more cap space, so, you know, that's pretty good in my opinion. I just want to make sure that... Oh, but he's only been in the game for 2 years. Whatever, I gotta. I just freed 1.18 mil. That's nice. Alright, we got Jonathan Mingo. Let's see how far away he is from
This player's
revealing his
development
thing.
trait
Alright.
is hidden.
Should be
Put
able
him
to
in
get
your
it in the
lineup.
playoffs. That's all I wanted to look at, but Bryce Young's a superstar now. That's pretty good. Alright. I'm gonna go look at the... We probably should start scouting college players, because I don't know what position I want, though. I would need to, like, see. Alright. He does cornerbacks and quarterbacks, running back and middle linebacker. We don't really need a running back. Offensive tackle, no. We'll do safety and tight end. Oh, but this is a 3-tier. I don't even know. Oh, those are my scouts. Free agent scouts. Let me see what the best one is. Just a bunch of free 3 tiers. Cornerback and safety. I don't think I need a corner. Tight end. If there's any guys with a tight end here that are actually good, that are a 3-star, because that seems to be what the best thing I can get is. Alright, tight end, middle linebacker. Perfect. Now, how do I, like, hire them? It doesn't let me. Okay. Alright, I think that's good for me. Let's go and super sim to... Let's look at the playoff bracket. But the Falcons got #1 seed. Yeah. Yep. The Green Bay Packers. This is crazy. Only the 7th seed for the Eagles. Cowboys got #3. Seahawks #4. Us #5. Bears #6. Not think they would come in. Eagles #7. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, Baltimore and Bengals go to the in the wild card. That's not very surprising. Colts. That is surprising. Wow. I'm gonna go into Super Sim to the Super Bowl and see if we can get there. I'll see you guys at the Super Bowl. Alright guys, I do not know how we made it to the Super Bowl, but we did. Let's go do the media thing. I don't know how we made it to the Super Bowl. It's kind of crazy in my opinion. Embrace it, ignore it. I guess embrace it, kind of. Earn 10 staff points, yay, good for me. I use them all the time. Upgrade players. I want to see what Jonathan Mingo's is. If he even has an upgrade. Looks like he doesn't. But Bryce Young's up to an 80. So that's good. And let's see what Jonathan Mingo is. He's probably going to end up being like a normal. Because he hasn't played so much. Yeah, he's still hidden. But he's a 75, so that's good. Yeah, he's going to end up being a normal because it, like, reordered him back to the old one. Back to number, like, 5. But Adam Thielen does not have a good rating. We might want to try and get a wide receiver. Because, you know, Adam Thielen's ready to know, but we have Terrace Marshall and LaVisca Chenault. So I think we're good with wide receiver. It's just going to take a little bit of time for them to really get good. Offensive line solid. Tight end. We need a tight end. Defensively, defense is pretty good. Linebacker core is solid. Safety doesn't need much help, but could use some. Cornerback, none at all. Defensive line, maybe a new left end. And possibly defensive tackle number 1. Other than that, that's solid. I'll super sim to next week and see if we win the Super Bowl first season. That'd be crazy if we do. How are we facing the Broncos in the Super Bowl, though? It's crazy to me. How do we even make it? Bryce Young. We just won the Super Bowl. View Super Bowl results. Will Anderson, Defensive Rookie of the Year. Jaden Reed, wide receiver, offensive rookie of the year. Of course, Aaron Donald and Cooper Kupp are the MVPs. J.C. Horn, Carolina Panthers, 21-13. Wow, that's insane. I didn't even...
Quickly review the league's top. View your team's
save
snapshots.
I haven't done anything. But just to show even more that I haven't done anything with this, I guess we'll do team schedule. I'm sure that works. None. Home. Oh, that's the bye week. Postseason, none. How did we get all the way to the Super Bowl? First try. Alright, we just rebuilt the Panthers easily. Easiest rebuild of all time. Didn't even have to do anything. Very difficult. Alright, see you guys next time in the Houston Texans rebuild. Bye.